Here is the same full script cleaned, polished, and presented without any headings, just a smooth, 1,000-word YouTube script ready to record. Today we're tackling two very different machines. One is an internet-fueled, industrial-looking Caterpillar pickup concept, mostly rumors, and the other is Toyota's all-new GR-GT, a true aerodynamics first supercar. Let's peel back the styling, explore the color choices, and separate what's real from what's not. Before we dive in, here's a quick heads up. Toyota has officially revealed the GR-GT and released legitimate technical information. Everything about that car is grounded in real-world specs and official presentations. The Caterpillar pickup, on the other hand, is something that keeps going viral online but has no official announcement behind it. No confirmed model, no factory reveal. What you're seeing on social media is mostly concept artwork, fan renderings, and aftermarket builds wearing Caterpillar colors. Still, the designs are popular enough that they're worth analyzing, so I'll break down the style language people keep circulating, but treat all of it as unconfirmed. Let's start with the Caterpillar pickup concept, or, more accurately, the idea of what people think a Caterpillar truck would look like. Across TikTok, Facebook Reels, and automotive rumor sites, there's one consistent vibe: a brutalist, industrial machine that looks like it rolled straight off a construction site. Squared-off fenders, riveted panels, massive front skid plates, and a grille design that mimics actual heavy-duty Caterpillar machinery. Everything leans into that functional, no-nonsense, industrial DNA the brand is known for. A recurring visual theme is heavy metal, welded steel-style paneling, exposed bolts, thick bumper reinforcements, rooflines that look like integrated roll cages straight off a rock crawler build. Big LED bars instead of conventional headlights. It's a design language that says utility first, personality second. Even though none of this is official, the online interpretation of a Caterpillar truck has become its own design direction, rugged to the extreme. Color is a huge part of the Caterpillar identity in these renderings. The star of the show is Caterpillar Yellow, that iconic construction equipment yellow that instantly signals toughness and durability. Most concepts keep the finish matte to resemble industrial paint rather than glossy automotive lacquer. Secondary colors include matte black, charcoal gray, military green, and sometimes safety orange accent stripes to emphasize the heavy equipment theme. Trim pieces are often shown in raw metal or textured black plastic to reinforce that working machine feel. Again, all popular online, but completely unofficial. This brings us to the reality check. The alleged power figures, towing numbers, hybrid diesel rumors, they circulate everywhere but have zero manufacturer confirmation. If Caterpillar ever did build a consumer pickup, you could expect heavy-duty engineering and work-focused trim, but at the moment, the Caterpillar pickup exists only as a viral concept. A cool one, yes, but not a real product. Now let's switch gears, very quickly, into something that is real: the Toyota GR-GT. This car is the opposite of rumor. Toyota and Gazoo Racing have publicly revealed it, walked the press through it, and showcased its engineering direction. And the very first thing Toyota emphasizes about the GR-GT is that the car was designed around aerodynamics. Engineers set aerodynamic requirements first, and only then did designers sculpt the outer shell around those performance needs. That's why the car has such a distinctive, long bow, low-slung profile. The GR-GT isn't just visually aggressive, every crease and curve is functional. Up front, a pronounced splitter channels airflow under and around the car. On the sides, deep sculpted side pods serve both as styling elements and as cooling shooters for the powertrain hardware. Those rear haunches aren't just for muscle car drama. They shape airflow toward the rear diffuser, which handles high-speed stability. The car is essentially a rolling aerodynamic tool. Toyota also uses an aluminum-intensive space frame combined with composite external panels. That keeps the car rigid and lightweight without sacrificing structural integrity. It's a very motorsport-inspired construction philosophy, the same priorities you see in GT-class racing machines. The powertrain layout is a big influence on the shape. Toyota's architecture for the GR-GT supports a high-output V8, frequently referenced as a twin-turbo 4.0-liter in both racing and road trims. That demands serious cooling, and that's why the GR-GT features big, functional vents, gill-like intakes, and carefully positioned radiators packed behind the front axle. The bodywork isn't styled to look fast, it's engineered to help the car be fast. When it comes to color choices, Toyota tends to stay consistent with the wider GR Performance brand. Expect deep blacks, glossy metallic silvers, performance reds, and rich electric blues. Many press images show exposed carbon fiber sections or paint laid directly over carbon, allowing the weave to subtly show through. It gives the car a motorsport texture, a visual reminder of the lightweight materials beneath the paint. Toyota also tends to offer track livery options for GR models, which usually combine white, red, black, and graphite in bold racing patterns. These aren't confirmed for production yet, but based on Toyota's history with the Supra, GR86, and GR Yaris, it's a safe expectation. The Caterpillar color palette, by contrast, is almost the inverse in intention. For online concepts, the goal is to feel rugged and indestructible. Caterpillar yellow, matte black, and raw metal finishes communicate durability. Meanwhile, the GR GT color options communicate performance sophistication, sleek, fast, technical. When you're shooting these vehicles on camera, each one benefits from different angles. For the Caterpillar concept builds or renders, tight close-ups are key, lens in on the bolts, the textured surfaces, the steel-like panels, the light bars. Those mechanical details sell the industrial fantasy. For the GR GT, low-angle tracking shots work best. Catch the reflections along the aerodynamic channels. Push in slowly on the front splitter, side vents, and diffuser to highlight the car's technical sculpting. Lighting the car from a single direction can emphasize the sharp edges and airflow lines. In the end, the story is simple. The Toyota GR GT is real, engineered, and built with intent, a halo supercar representing Toyota's aerodynamic and motorsport expertise. The Caterpillar pickup is a viral idea, an entertaining concept that captures people's appetite for heavy-duty power and industrial style, but not something Caterpillar has officially produced. One is a confirmed supercar with genuine engineering. The other is a digital imagination that keeps evolving online. If you want deep dives on more concept versus reality comparisons, or if you want me to turn this script into a shot-by-shot guide with exact camera movements, just let me know. And if you enjoyed this breakdown, hit like, subscribe, and drop your questions in the comments. Thanks for watching. If you want, I can now create a short 60-second version for YouTube Shorts, a version with humor and hype for viral appeal, a version with full camera direction and B-roll inserts. Just